Assalamu alaikum. My question is, how should we pray before making a big decision? Should we wait for a sign from Allah?
First you will pray. If there is going to be any sign from Allah, then you will have to seek Allah's help first. Offer at least 2 rakat nafil every day for your any important work. It is not necessary that you always receive any sign or any reply from Allah. But if you are satisfied in your heart after praying, pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala, if it is good for you in the eyes of Allah Ta'ala, then Allah Ta'ala make it easy for you to achieve your target or complete this task. If not, then Allah Ta'ala just remove the desire from your heart. So if you are satisfied in your heart, then it's okay. It's not necessary that you always receive any sign. Even sometimes very pious people, if they are satisfied in their hearts that what I am going to do is good for me, then they do it. And that is the sign that Allah wants it to be done.